Greetings and welcome. We turn back now to the Unstoppable volume, Mr. Conrad's Unstoppable volume, lesson 33, strangely titled, You Are a Banana. Now let's start in our journals for just a second with chapter 33 with this focus observation. Write down this term, self-reflection. Write this term down, self-reflection. The idea here is, every once in a while, and you'll notice we do this often in our journaling, in the Unstoppable journals, it makes sense to look at ourselves and to ask one or two questions. For example, these. You might want to write them down. It seems to me these are legitimate questions. Who are you? And how are you? It seems to me that both of these questions are legitimate ones for us as we now turn to this lesson 33. Of all the Friday stories, I hope you're reading with me. Of all the Friday stories, the one that lasts all year is You're a Banana. Newcomers to my classroom often comment, why do you have a banana hanging on your chalkboard? Why is it all black? I explained that the banana didn't look like that the first day I hung it there. It was green, so green you couldn't eat it. Over the next few days, something amazing is going to happen to this little green banana, I tell my classes. While holding that little green Chiquita in the air, I question my students, what's going to happen to the banana? They respond by saying, it's going to get yellow. I go on to explain they're correct. And over the next few days, they'll get to witness that. I then ask them what they want to do when the banana turns yellow. Eat it, they yell. Smart class, I fire back. When the banana turns yellow, it means the banana is ripe. In fact, that's as good as it's going to get for the banana, because that's when the banana is at its peak and when you want to eat it. Because if you don't eat it, then something else starts to take place. There's a split second of time when the banana quits getting ripe and starts to rot. I don't know how to measure the precise moment that transition occurs, but there is a point in time where the banana quits getting better and starts getting worse. Class, you're going to witness it right before your very eyes, I exclaim. Because this banana is going to hang here till the very last Friday of the school year. Sick is their usual response. You and I are just like that banana. When we quit getting better, getting ripe, we start to rot. The banana doesn't have a choice. You and I do. We must continue our whole lives to commit to getting ripe. We never want to get completely right because that means we can't get any better. We always want to be getting right, knowing that once we feel we can't get any better, smarter, stronger, healthier, etc., we start getting rotten. The last week of school, the banana is black, dried out, as hard as a brick. Don't let this happen to you, my little Chiquitas, I tell my class. Keep getting right. Only then will you be able to conceive, believe, achieve. Let's make a couple of observations really quickly for your notes in the journals. One, first of all, let's just point out the dynamic power of a word picture. This is a compelling word picture, right? I've even had students who, to remind themselves of this, will actually buy themselves a green banana and hang it up in their college dorm room, for example, and just watch it start to rot, reminding themselves the compelling message here: if you're not getting right, you're starting to rot. Number two, let's think about the goal. Let's put it in our notes this way for your journals. Lifelong learning. Go ahead and write that term down. Lifelong learning. The idea is here to keep improving. Remember what Tennyson said in his poem Ulysses? To follow knowledge like a sinking star beyond the utmost bounds of human thought. The idea, we're always trying to improve. We're always trying to grow. Finally, this is an interesting question. Who are you and how are you are the questions we started with. Don't rot. Of course, the key here is, unlike the banana, human beings have a choice to identify self-rot. It's a good question to ask. In what ways would you say you probably are beginning to rot, stagnate, not grow? And then beginning to ask the question, what's the best way to accomplish that mission? Well, there you go, lesson 33 from Unstoppable. Thank you.